So to get this process started, what I did was I just began selling off all of my books. And so I had a whole bunch of books. I had, I think, 400 to 500 different books that I had gathered over the years. And I really just wasn't going back and reading them. So I figured I'm just going to get rid of all of them other than the ones that I absolutely love and that I go back to regularly. And this process could be really messy and not lucrative, but I found a way to do it to make it really quick and easy and help you maximize the amount of money that you can make from your books. All right, so now first thing you want to do is just go open the App Store. So what we'll do is just go over here. And when you get this popped open, you can just go ahead and hit the search box and search for an app called BookScouter. There it is. And then we're going to install this app. Give that a minute to install, and then you can click open. All right, now that you're over at the BookScouter app, this app, what it allows you to do is quickly find out for each of your books how much money you're going to be able to sell it for. So what you can do is you can take the book and you can actually type in the ISBN number, which is a long, probably, 12-digit number or something on the back of the book, or you can just grab this scan barcode thing and then just quickly scan through all your books. So you can go through a whole bunch of books really, really fast with this. All right, and so then we will just grab our book, flip over to the back side of it, and scan that barcode. All right, now what you will see is all the different companies who are willing to buy this book back and how much they're willing to pay. And so you'll see that, it ranges from $5.50 all the way down to a bunch of these companies don't want to buy it at all. And to simplify this process, the way I did was I found a handful of these companies who wanted to buy the book back, and I sent books only to a few of them. I think it was 3 or 4 different companies. And for each of these companies, basically the way it works is you just fill up a big box of all of these books that they've given you a quote for, and then they pay for shipping. You just print off the shipping label, mail the box back to them, and then they send you a check. So it's not like you have to mail individual books to 25 different companies. That's not a win for anybody. And so what I would do is just kind of come here and then just click sell, and then it will add the book over to your cart at this company, and then you can just come back over here to BookScouter, do a new search, and then we can just look up another book. And we'll just go ahead and tap scan barcode. And something when you're looking at these barcodes, you'll notice here there are 2 different ones there. And what you want to do is just get the one on the left, the one that's the actual ISBN. Sometimes the app has a problem if you're scanning the whole thing. So in this case, this book, yes, this book just does not look like it's worth much money. So it's only worth 12 cents. So if I was sending something back to sell your book back, or that company there, I would throw it in the box, but it's only 12 cents, so I'm not going to read too much into that. And you'll find that some of the books are just not worth anything, and other ones are. And so here's another book. We'll just scan the barcode. All right, and then here's another one for sell back your book. So I'll just add that to the cart there. And then it'll just continue adding up all the ones that you added. And then once you kind of get everything of value in there, then you can go to those companies that you've kind of added some to the cart. You can print off the shipping label with them. And each one of them is slightly different, but you can kind of print off the shipping label and then just ship it off and then get paid. It's not too bad. So when I did this, I ended up making about $179 for all the books that I sold back to these companies. And then all the rest I just took over to Goodwill and dropped them off over there. All right, so that's it. One simple app. You take a few minutes, scan the books, you send them off, and you get paid. Pretty simple way to kind of turn your books into cash, don't you think? And a bonus tip here, you can go to garage sales, you could go to Goodwill and take that app and just go in there. You could go into Goodwill and pay a quarter for a book that you might be able to sell for $5. I mean, that's not a bad way to make some extra cash as well. So on this channel, we help you make more money, we help you save more money, and we help you to give generously and really just make the most out of our money and using it in a good and wise way. So if that's something that interests you, you can hit that subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to hear from us as we create more content like this. And a thumbs up would be really appreciated as well if you enjoyed the video. But that is all for today. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you later. Adios.